The year is slowly closing its final chapter, and here comes December, a month draped in magic, nostalgia, and the promise of togetherness.
Don't think you have the time or energy to put up a Christmas tree? Think again. Pop-up Christmas trees, different colors, different, easy to put away and easy to store.
Than by surrounding ourselves with the beauty of festival decorations. You see, Xmas decorations are more than ribbons, lights, and ornaments. They are storytellers. Each wreath that graces a door whisper a welcome to friend and stranger alike. Each shimmering bubble hanging on the tree hold memories. A laughter of family tradition of moments we thought we had forgotten but come rushing back in a sparkle of glad or silver. When we choose to decorate, we are not just filling a room, we are filling hearts, the garland over the fireplace. It's a warm embrace. The stocking hung in a neat row. There are promises waiting to be kept. The twinkling lights outside. They are little beacons. They are little beacons telling the world hope lives here. This year, let your decoration carry your story. Maybe it's handmade ornaments crafted on a quiet evening with your children. Maybe it's tree topper passed down from your grandmother, carrying the weight of years and the love of generation. Or maybe it's something new, a design you have dreamed of, one that reflects who you are now and who you are becoming. Because festival decorating isn't about perfection, it's about connection. It's about slowing down in the rush of the season to light a candle, tie a bow, or piece a pine cone just to, or place a pine cone just so. It's about creating a space where joy feels at home. So this year, let every light you hang be a reminder of the light you carry inside. Let every ribbon be tied with intentions. Let every color tell a story. And when you stand back, lights glowing, ornaments twinkling, remember, this isn't just decoration. This is you sharing your joy with the world. Happy holiday. May your home be full of light, and may your heart be full of peace. If you like the more video like this, more designs and more trees, more decorations like this, go to the comment section and tell everything what you want to watch. We will try to bring for you the best video. We will try to make for you the best video we ever made. So keep going, keep supporting, keep smiling, keep shining. Have a very nice and beautiful holiday. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Stay happy, stay cool, stay warm. So viewers, time is short. We will try next video. Inshallah, we will try making best videos for you. Thanks for watching my video. Stay blessed. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Have a very nice and beautiful holiday. Keep smiling, keep shining, keep healthy, and keep happy. Thanks for watching.
Sizes and take about 1 minute to set up. Easy to set.